not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be a rocket. Hey, fly. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now, right here.
The one thing you'll come to find is Fuerteventura is very windy.
Perfect for windsurfing though.
Hey.
Whether you want to stroke it.
No, because you'll end up with needles. Hey, what's this? It's day 2. We've made it to the beach. The one thing I would say about the Alua Village Hotel is it's not that close to the beach. It's all the way up there. The photos online make it look like it's literally on the seafront. It's going to take 10 minutes, 10 hours to get in. See, quick, you don't notice it.
You're shifting freezing now, aren't you?
I've already done it twice. 3, 2, 1, go. So there's a photo we took nearly 3 years ago in Greece, and we found a quiet place on the beach. We're going to try and replicate the same photograph.
not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side.
So, mission success. We set it down on a self timer, 10 seconds, 5 images, looking over at the Ventura's beautiful beaches. We've made it down to the port, down here. We made it down to the dock.
What's your mindset? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now, right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on a beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby.